So yo, what's up guys, कैसे आप सभी लोग। न्यू सॉइस की इस वाली वीडियो में we are gonna play the new survival mode and I am playing this for the what this critical ops reloaded. I will see this afterwards. What? Oh dang it, that's so nice of that like the cover page, that's so OP in the chat. And I spent once and I got this at 2 minutes ago that it was gonna get end, so I like did that. So the case has also came. Oh my god, we got some OP skins and inspect of Og, that's gun flip, and do a like what? Oh, he threw his gun and he picked up another one, bro. And got the pipe wrench and got some more skills. So let's not waste our time on these and go to the match. Let's go. So, okay, now we're gonna start the survival mode and we'll see that are we the one in the breach or one in the collision. Okay, so we are in the collision and I have MP5 right now. And some part didn't got recorded, and I have can buy any gun here. I remembered. So let's pick SA-58 and find the imposter. You can see the dead bodies everywhere. He's like a nice hunter, but he's not the imposter. I don't know what the heck I am saying. So we gotta see that where is he and hide from him. Oh darn it, I see him. Okay. What? What the hell? Oh no. Run Kabir. No, please don't kill me. 22 seconds. I don't know where is he. Oh no. What? Why is not dying? Oh no. Oh darn it. Oh no. Oh no. I took a bad step. I set him low, but we won. 2 seconds left. Rest in peace, bro. We won the match. Indian killer, bro. You lost. So that was the first match. So we'll play some more matches and see that who's the winner and what Royal is the winner and we are also the winner. So let's play another match. So okay, now let's see that am I the one, the only the one, so get respect upon the stream. I am the one. Sorry, that I am in breach or not? I am not. Darn it! Oh, what? I'm in breach? OP guys, GG's OP. We are gonna win this and I'm 100% sure. Everybody is attacking me, so I can buy only gear, no gun. Wait. Okay, I killed him. And now I have 800 HP. And we are gonna find some another people. Oh, they both of them left. So I'm gonna find some another people. So let's go and kill them also, boys. Oh yo, bro. Oh no, bro. What the heck? क्या कर रहा है भाई? Okay. Oh no. I could have gotten triple kill. भाई साहब मेरे साथ ही क्यों थे? Oh no. Bro, I've easily won this match in under like 1.5 minutes. So we gotta find the last guy. I hope he's not camping anywhere. So he's camping down. I hear his. Oh, see, I told. Oh, I won this match in like under 2 minutes. So we gotta play a couple or triple more victory. I got 5 kills or 6 kills. I don't know. I got 7 kills, bro. 7 kills and died like 0 times. That's the best breach player ever in this mode. So let's play another match, bro. So okay, can I beat him? I was gonna say, oh no, I was gonna say imposter because I got like imposter 6 in a row and now I got this 2 in a row. I think I can get this 3 in a row. And if, oh no, he's not AFK. Oh no, he was pretending to be a disconnected man, but he wasn't disconnected. And if you guys are till here, I just want to tell you guys that go in the chat box and write 333 triple three, and I should know that who are the people that watch my whole videos. And thanks to those guys that who are watching till now. Okay, what the heck? Okay, one down, one down, and that was my strategy. I crouched and then I killed him. Okay, I got an MP5, but I'm not gonna use MP5 because I'm not a cheater. Okay, now I can use MP5 if he not get caught in some time. So guys, I am saying this by overlaying that I didn't caught him for a long time. So I will put a time lapse. So enjoy that. Oh no! I finally! Oh no! I found it! I finally found it, and I told you guys that there was some time left, like 10 seconds, I think so. So that's why I used the MP5, and we'll play some more matches. So let's go to those matches.